Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Copilot. Now it's a very easy process, so all you have to do is open your Windows. Now search for Visual Studio Codes, as you can see right over here. You can also search it in your search panel. Now just simply open the Visual Studio Code. Now over here the process is very simple. All you have to do is just simply click on the extension option. Now in the search panel, just simply search for Copilot. Now over here you'll find a lot of Copilots, but the one that we are looking for is this one, which is called GitHub Copilot. You will see that it is downloaded 8.7 million times. So if you see this number, that means that's the correct one. Now open it and just simply click on install over here, and then the installation part will begin. Now all you do is just simply sign in with your GitHub account. So just simply click on sign in to GitHub. Now click on allow. Now it will take you to your browser. Now over here, just simply sign in to GitHub account. After that, just simply enter your ID and password. Then click on sign in. Now just simply choose authorize Visual Studio Code. Now click on open Visual Studio Code. Again, click on open and the process should be complete. And after that, the Copilot should be installed on your computer. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.